Hello everyone, I am Sandra S of Class 6C from Kendra Vidyalaya Bhandup. A reading campaign is going on our school. Every week we are assigned with a task that we need to accomplish. On the 6th week, we are being assigned to analyze recipes for our grandparents. I am going to make oatmeal cookies. This recipe is a very simple and easy recipe. So the ingredients required for making the cookies are 1 and 1/4 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of wheat, half cup of sugar, egg at room temperature, some choco chips, 100 grams of butter, vanilla essence, raisins and crushed nuts, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, and so let's start making. First, let's take a bowl and add 1 and 1/4 cup of oats into it. Now let's add the wheat into it. Now the baking soda and cinnamon powder. Let's mix it well. So let's keep our mixture aside. Now let's take another bowl and add 100 grams of butter into it. Now let's add the powdered sugar. The butter must be soft so that it will be easy for making the mixture. Let's mix it all well.
Chat.
Now we have made the mixture, we have mixed it well. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence into it. And the room temperature egg. Let's mix it all well. Now we have mixed it well. Now let's add the dry ingredients to our mixture. Let's mix it all together. Now the mixture is well ready. Now let's add the choco chips, raisins and crushed nuts into it. Now let's mix it all together. So our mixture is ready. We have mixed all the ingredients together. Now take a baking tray. If you have baking paper, then you can put it in the tray and bake it. Otherwise, you can just apply butter in the top of it. So let's take a little amount of our mixture and let's start making it into small circles. Don't press it well. Now let's complete the bowl. So our batch of cookies is ready. Now let's bake it in the oven. Set the oven at 160 degrees Celsius and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So now our cookies are baking. Let's wait for some minutes. Our cookies are ready. Our cookies are really crispy and soft. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.